Are you a real estate agent in Georgia who uses a virtual assistant? Are you a real estate agent in Georgia who uses any assistant? Hi, everybody. Dana Sparks, broker of Maximum One Greater Atlanta. And today's video tip is on Georgia license law and the use of a virtual assistant or any assistant. So the question is, may a transaction coordinator, perhaps licensed, but in a different brokerage than you, i.e. a virtual transaction coordinator who is a licensed agent, maybe their license is held by a holding company. Two questions. Number one, may they prepare a contract or brokerage agreement, exhibit, amendment, so forth and so on, for their agent client to give to a buyer and seller to sign for the buyer or seller side. So in other words, can your assistant, whether it be a TC or someone on your staff, someone who is licensed in your brokerage or not licensed in your brokerage, can they prepare a GAR document to give to you to have signed? Because it would be their name, perhaps printed on the bottom of the GAR form. Is it a license law violation? And is it a GAR licensing agreement violation? Well, the answer is it is not a violation of GAR's copyright, but it may be a license law violation. So here are the license laws, plural, that govern your use as an agent of using any type of assistant, whether it be a TC, an admin assistant, virtual, in person, licensed, unlicensed, licensed in another brokerage. These are the license laws to which you must adhere. Under GREC Rule 520-1-.076A, under the management responsibilities under the GREC rules, utilizing unlicensed personnel. And it says, whenever a licensee who is affiliated with a broker engages support personnel to assist in the conduct of real estate brokerage business, both the firm and the affiliated licensees are responsible for the acts of the support personnel and for assuring that the support personnel comply with the requirements of this rule and the license law, and for seeing that any licensed support personnel are properly licensed in the firm. Unless the support personnel holds an active real estate license, the support personnel may not perform any duties and tasks of a real estate licensee and may perform only ministerial acts, of course, that don't require discretion or judgment. That's one license law that applies. Another one, same thing. It's still under the broad GREC rules under management responsibilities. GREC Rule 520-1-.076C. This is what you need to pay attention to. Two specific things. An individual licensed with one firm may work as support personnel for a different firm, for a licensee of a different firm, with the written consent of the brokers of each firm. If you can also have a licensed assistant who's inactive, and obviously you wouldn't need, they don't have a broker holding their license. But so here's the thing to think about. If you are using a transaction coordinator who is not in your brokerage, your firm does not hold their license, they are licensed in another firm, could be a holding company, whatever, you may only use them as your assistant or TC if you have written consent and signatures from your broker and from the broker who holds their license. Additionally, under that same Rule 6D, any real estate brokerage firm that allows an affiliated licensee to utilize support personnel to assist the licensee in carrying out his or her real estate brokerage activities must, number one, enter into a written agreement with the affiliated licensee authorizing the use of support personnel, delineating the duties, what they may perform, and what that compensation is. Number 2, enter into a written agreement with support personnel, assisting its affiliated licensees, specifying duties, so forth and so on. 3, assure that the affiliated licensee and support personnel, i.e. assistant or transaction coordinator, have entered into a written agreement. So here's what that is all saying. There needs to be a written signed agreement between the broker and you, the agent, allowing you to use an assistant. Additionally, there needs to be a written agreement between you, the agent, and your TC or assistant, outlining duties and compensation. And there also needs to be a written agreement, signed agreement between your broker and your assistant. There is, if you don't have this and you want to use a pre-existing form, GAR, Georgia Association of Realtors, does have an agreement for licensees' use of real estate assistant. It is GAR form CO07, Company Operations 07. And in order, one more license law that applies to this, in order to provide reasonable guidelines for licensees and support personnel, GREC has identified, this is if you're using an unlicensed assistant, just any type of admin help who does not hold a real estate license. Same thing, you still need those a signed contract with your broker's signature, that you, the agent signature, your assistant's signature, and if that assistant has a license held by somebody else, their broker. But if it's an unlicensed assistant, your broker still has to sign it. And you must delineate what an unlicensed assistant may or may not do. You can get this list from license law. GREC Rule 520-107 6E delineates all the tasks an unlicensed assistant may perform, and 6F delineates all the tasks an unlicensed assistant may not perform. So, again, this has come up for a couple reasons. Is your assistant transaction coordinator using GAR forms whose name is printed at the bottom? Is that allowed or not by GAR? Yes, you may. That is not a GAR licensing violation. However, it is a GREC or a GREC license law a violation if you do not have written agreements signed by your broker to use even a virtual transaction coordinator. I hope, go look up those laws. I will write them all out below in the description. Go look them up. Make sure you are in compliance. Brokers, make sure your agents are in compliance. And as always, I hoped this video tip helped you out. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment below if any other topic you would like for me to do a video on. Thank you so much for watching. Dana Sparks, broker of Maximum One Greater Atlanta, satisfying your needs with service, innovation, and education. Bye. If you like that video, check out the one here. If you like the content on this entire channel, please click here to subscribe. I try to take even the most complicated of real estate situations and make them crystal clear. See what I did there? Real estate made crystal clear. Thank you guys so much for watching.